so share attention TV so be message any dey ne ahobrase ma wo share attention TV ana so kopie so e wo eye YouTube na wa like your videos ni bia ma na wa sanso subscribe by your channel so na any dey ma san hwe vie so a no we comment kakra bi e wo to ho no so kwentwa me tire bia ma eno so meka ma kama see any papa beautiful eye Ghana kumawu actor yeah or Ghana movie industry name papa beautiful share brofun fante de beautiful you be a o kabi panie hwe election year we ma beautiful you be a o kun ho yi ne ho anim se wono de owu ama eye John Dramani Mahama na se NDC eye amambo na wo bodwuma papa oni some of the movie stars maybe na beautiful APM or one of the stations na nkomodi die ma na che say beautiful you be okọ asoro ewo eye prophet man or Kobi ho ye full member ewo honum na beautiful nkomodi na che say kwotwetwe eye prophet Owusu Bempah abehye nkomonim beautiful say ye hwe eye prophet man or Kobi ne se wahwe ase na se ne niema bi akofa na se ye ntini din a ne nyina eye prophet Owusu Bempah na ama anase wo sorry a eye prophet Emmanuel Kobi ane ne niema bi enkoye enti beautiful says ye hwe Ghana ha sei anase wiase na se yenyi nipa bonefo a nipa ne timu odi ne timu osumpa wo betena sa afidie kase ne so esene bo akase eye prophet Owusu Bempah ena ne timu odi na prophet Owusu Bempah sha se wo kwantia eye prophet Emmanuel Kobi no say no start no was a prophet Emmanuel Kobi wonu moja bibi station aso dem odi say ne bia na soro na chese nsamba sa enti wo yo bia sabi wunyi wo Kristo suma obedwane da eye prophet Emmanuel Kobi o say prophet Owusu Bempah litimu odimpa me yentie beautiful emra
no
prophet Owusu Bempah
how can another prophet affect another prophet ministry?
Yeah.
How can it be?
The moment a prophet could be boy now the onion and nanto bill, me no catch on everywhere. Me go sorry. Me no catch no. So me go sorry.
One a casa.
Owusu Bempah. Catch a prophet Kobi. Me no catch no.
No waguno.
Or see me go sorry.
No waguno.
And no start a prophet Kobi no muja. We continue ba efu.
Mr. Dubingo eba menchen.
Okay.
Oba menchen or say man of God. Some years back, you are one of my enemies.
About catch your plane.
Yes, you are one of my enemies. And Abusan said, why are you saying that? And I say, because you took Badu Kobi as your son. And Badu Kobi is not correct. Badu Kobi, I mean, he is worshipping idol. So I thought you are the same as Badu Kobi. Even I thought you are the one who taught Badu Kobi how to do some rituals, drink humans' blood, and so forth and so on.
About pinpointing drinking human blood.
Or catching me blame.
Maybe Saturday.
Say na o feel say men so me no nipa moja ni bi. Eno nti na me ye ne enemy and wife kra enemy. Eno nti time o hu sama ba bontia be ka se Badu Kobi ed ne ho awura ne ma bim. Nse se Badu Kobi enya me ba bim no. Eno o catch ne wife say to be frank with you, half of the small can mean.
Okay.
Oh, so one ben prophet Kobi to say the ameme ben na obi kasa asam wecho obi di nechi. Nipa oye nipa bonefo wo wiase pa. E wo prophet Kobi na life e yo so for Owusu Bempah. Me na me kan ye beautiful na kan ye ye wona woka.
So it's your own word.
It's my word. Nipa oye nipa bonefo pa wo wiase e yo so for Owusu Bempah.
No. Can it be any wiase? O say ewo
abrabom. Eyo so for Owusu Bempah. Every 6 months, na so for prophet Kobi or top brand new car. E dey so for Owusu Bempah. What be catch and say 2016 omunko shankom na nyankopon aka kire say akufo ado ben weni. Na prophet Kobi say on nyame nka asam che no. Omo de no way phobia ba omo be chinchim no man ti yisi kra no be gene machine.
No, you're making allegation, please.
Oh,
please.
Me hono kan
No.
Oh, Ajimai.
I wasn't there, please.
Me, I was there.
Mr. Beautiful. 2016, which is 8 years now. Oh, what? Please.
I was there.
So you were a witness?
I was there.
Your floor bet media dance.
I was there.
No, your floor bet media dance.
I was there.
No, that's not. It doesn't answer my question.
Ajimai. Sofu Kobi si nyankopon kan sa asem ni nkyerɛ no
wo si osofo
Nana do wini ye no 2016 and the prophet Kobi Beshem come say Ghanaians will regret after 6 months.
Power FM.
And when so for Owusu Bempah so baka say was so the young fruits into Ghana be de. Around that time no and eja Bempah frɛ prophet Kobi so hia no. All komi Kobi. The living room a two, you big living room, near small living room. You call small living room. Or catch any say, what's also she sham come ajimanu aduani at form.
Huh?
Yes. As someone I am me yes will be a camera me you. I was there.
Power FM.
After that, no decided say me go sorry. So for prophet Kobi want some your mama assemble. I might not touch me wrongly. Don't say anything negative about these two men. Don't try. Because I know them. Prophet Kobi, I know the man. No. Many Prophet Kobi started saying in 2012. Yeah. Samuel T.A. Oyawe. Me, you can't say anything negative about Prophet Kobi to me. Oh. Me, I know the man. I know him very well.
Power FM.
But oh, you penti. Me to me can say me to me the mitia to Hamano because oh you nipa. But I know the man. Owusu Bempah ne catch and say, what you want for me? When family your spiritual father be me go sorry. Also no moja. We kutu ni bafunu. Or you see, some no more kind now. Bako cry no way no cry. A tronkwa. Omuka kase beautiful ne kan ye.
And you're behind the Omuti, show.
Thank you.
They are watching, they are listening, so it's not me.
Beautiful ne kan ye. Inti question now be say no. Because of the bad things of Owusu Bempah did to Prophet Kobi, the members they reduce. No two ways about that.
It means that also for Owusu Bempah as subsidy, right?
Was subsidy by Edenanim. Was subsidy but Edenanim a channel. He will pay for it.
And there been a bema also.
Da or catch and say Megu sorry no. Prophet Kobi catch him say, hey, beautiful. Be careful. Owusu Bempah na say emfa wanu ntum. Okay. Men peso beka na asem. Omo frɛ wo radio so TV so don't say anything negative. Okay. About so for Owusu Bempah.
Speak to the microphone please.
Don't say anything negative about so for Owusu Bempah. Okay. That is what Prophet Kobi. Inti Owusu Bempah ne Prophet Kobi insame buy. What is them can be that? Man can be that. Now I'm saying something about it.
Why are you saying it today?
I'm saying it today because question now will be some, I need to bring certain things in to justify certain things.
Ha! I'm sure me Power Entertainment on Power FM, Power Entertainment on Radio XYZ, Power Entertainment on TV XYZ, Power Entertainment on YouTube. That's XYZ Broadcasting. We're streaming the show live on Power 979 FM and then also on Radio XYZ here in Facebook page. Ajimanie, my name is Mr. Beautiful. And yes, I say, Power, what say?
What do you say? Another Power. Best Prophet Kobi cast na di na woni fie. One directly because one or more information. Also, better yes, I don't know. One more information. As I'm talking to you, cast 2 woman changes here. Lincoln Navigator, brand new back on any Porsche Panamera, a woman sounds here.
Ah, na year or so for Badu Kobi
gas on the 5.
For cast saying
on for cast 3. Wow, brand new cars.
I didn't number 5.
Almost on your duty, almost check yano, and government in power. Send a Prophet Kobi bomb which is on something negative. And come into mu. But casting woman changes here, but they will pay for it.
And also for Owusu Bempah and Mombasa Saka.
Oh yeah, where he told Canada Japan. I'm not catching in Japan. Making Japan way for be fire, custom for be side.
Oh no, Canada Japan started so expose be. Also for Badu Kobi who be mubi. A banese no timinya information at the council FR also for Badu Kobi.
One number and go friend.
But Manka Samuel was searching every move.
What a number and go friend. Because quite fast in your information a warning quaho.
And some no can no cribum.
Ajamai Sankaunya can Japan no more. Go friend. Nankobis, as I'm talking to you, I don't Prophet could be crap upon each other, some more kind, and you'll be a catcher. Now, appropriate time, he will mention the person's name.
Can a Japan fair also for
of course,
but Kobi.
Yes,
upon each other.
Yeah. So sorry, Ubina Kachreno.
Wow. Sansam the cost not saying now also for Badu Kobi feeling.
Power
He's somebody. The life na it is a school. May I always take his life as a school. I've learned a lot from these two great men, Prophet Kobi and John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
I've learned a lot from these two great men. If I fail in life, I'm a very foolish person.
Okay.
Because I've learned a lot from them.
Okay. It's then and all year. I mean, then and shedding crying.
He's quiet, he's calm, he's okay, he's
Power
all
the
right.
fan.
He's all right.
Okay.
But appropriate time. Share Ajamai. Yes, Prophet Kobi. The area we are cast. Onim sanya ye clear car profi port. Onim ye. Onye bida. Onim sanya ye clear car fi port. Say ye the car ba port. Na ye kwa ka clear. Ye ko trade uti wa ha. Ye ko ewe wa ha. Ye ko jubilee. Ye onim ye Prophet Kobi onim ye.
And the cast down all the chip celebrities and musicians and from
Power the fan.
Oto car dealers na no mo de breno e ma ne to.
not that check for free.
Yeah. Me kai say me ko tia some C class open top bi.
Benz.
Me ko tia ka $45,000. Me tia ka Saturday. Sunday no reach Lumba. Yes. O se nyankopon se so pese Lumba e live a on fa ne car nche no. E no de car nche na ye gi Lumba nduro ye ko hye no. Me na me gi nduro no. Asema me ke bi se nyansabo akwa was there. Roman father was there. Ask them.
Yes, I think I was at Rainbow. Me who interview crowd.
Thank you.
Yeah, Bishop Prophet Badu Kobi by me shows me who interview.
Thank you.
I remember that one.
You see, that's the kind of person he is. He gave without thinking. On Fanny Pound.
Watch your kada.
Me, watch him be that.
What you saying?
Watch me Chrysler 300. And I'm young so my church in a 3 cars, my church in Range Rover, my church in Golf, my church in a Sprinter.
Unya kanwe.
Me we are.
I you say cameras is how you acting. Who come we are casual church no.
No, that's not everything. Me one of them. Mayor of
Hey, where dear beautiful. Was in the buba na walk out. Hey, I know you. You're very actually about the TV from the banner came to her. And the barber soon.